Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to explain you about the Thanksgiving ongoing event. So Thanksgiving feast event. So in this event, you open up these farms, people enjoying the food. You can see it looks like. Okay, let's go to the event center. Under the login rewards, you can see the Thanksgiving feast. So I have killed 10 turkeys already. When you kill up to 300 turkeys, you will receive these rewards. So click again, 1000 gems, foods, 30 minute speed ups. So next one is during the event time, collect ingredients to open the Thanksgiving feast on the world map. The feast can be shared with alliance members. Open up 50 Thanksgiving feast to receive the cook's rewards. So that means you have to collect these items: turkey, cranberries, pumpkin, and this yam. These four items, when you collect these four items, you can open up the feast farm. So when I'm going to open up, you will see the changes. At the moment I did not open up any feast farm. You can see it's a 0. दोस्तों ये थैंक्सगिविंग फीस्ट में आपको ये फार्म्स दिख रहे हैं. तो जब मैं टर्की स्किल कर दूंगा 300, मुझे ये वाले रिवॉर्ड्स मिल जाएंगे. जब मैं ये ओपन करूंगा तो मुझे ओपन रिवॉर्ड्स ये मिलेंगे. सो गाइज, आई विल रिसीव दीज रिवॉर्ड्स. ओके, लेट्स ओपन अप. So here is my Thanksgiving feast farm. So feast place, you can say. So my troops are already outside. So after 8 minutes, one more troops coming. Actually, I recall one of the troops from the relics. तो दोस्तों, रेलिक्स से मैं अपने ट्रूप्स को बुला लेता हूँ ताकि आपको जल्दी से जल्दी दिखा सकूँ. सो लेट्स टॉक अबाउट द नेक्स्ट while my troops are coming back. This one, courageous certificate. This will give you these rewards. So during event time, player can plunder Thanksgiving feast opened by other alliances. Plunder up to 100 Thanksgiving food items to receive the courageous certificate. That means when you go to the other alliances Thanksgiving feast, you will get rewards. So you have to plunder, like just attack or just go to them. It's easy. I will show you. Get your alliance, like your friends alliance. Ask them to open up the feast for you, so you can explore your feast and they can explore your feast and you can explore your friends alliance feast. This way you can complete these 100 feast. Okay, the next one, during event time, player can receive Thanksgiving foods items from Thanksgiving feast. Use up to 200 Thanksgiving food items to receive these guest room medal. So you will receive, when you using these food items which you receive from the feast farm. So feast place, where is that? So here's my feast. I can go there. I open up. Make sure your friends open up the feast, then you can enjoy. So I open up for my friends. I will ask them, I will discuss with them. Then we can exchange with each other to complete this third one. So दोस्तों ये तीसरे नंबर का जो है, ये आप अपने दोस्त को एक अलाइंस में ले लें और उसे कहें कि आपके साथ वो अपने फीस्ट जो है शेयर करे, वो ओपन कर दे. जैसे ये रैलिक है, रैलिक की तरह काम करता है. जब तक वो अंदर जाके ओपन नहीं करेगा तब तक आप उसके फीस्ट में जाके नहीं उसके फीस्ट में नहीं जा सकते. तो पूछें अपने दोस्त को और आप उसके साथ शेयर करें. उससे क्या होगा कि एक्सचेंज करने से आपके ये भी जो आइटम्स है ये भी कंप्लीट हो जाएंगी. लाइक ये तो टर्की को किल करना, ओपन अप टू, मैंने एक ओपन कर लिया. तो ये सारे ये जो दूसरे रिवॉर्ड्स हैं ये भी कंप्लीट हो जाएंगे. ये लास्ट वाला जो है ये भी हो जाएगा. तो इसलिए आप अपने दोस्त के साथ एक्सचेंज करें. सो मैं अभी अपने अलाइंस में बात करके तो पूछने वाला हूँ, शायद वो हेल्प करके तो एक्सचेंज कर लें. So thanks guys, thanks for watching. Have a good one, enjoy your game, and let me ask someone that if he can open up for us. So ध्यान रखें. So one second. थैंक्सगिविंग इवेंट में आप ज़रूर दूसरी अलाइंस के फ्रेंड्स को पूछ लें इस रिवॉर्ड्स के लिए. ये रिवॉर्ड्स तभी मिलेंगे जब आप दूसरी अलाइंस के साथ बात करके ये कंप्लीट कर लेंगे. Thanks guys, thanks for watching. Have a good one, enjoy your game, and I'll see you in the next video with more tips and tricks and complete your Thanksgiving feast. Kill turkeys, collect these items, these 4 items like a yam, turkey, cranberry, pumpkin to open up the feast. But make sure you open up and exchange with the friends. My this alliance don't know about the feast, how to complete it. The third rewards, I'm going to explain them. I'm going to exchange with the other alliances to complete this third one. Okay guys, enjoy your Thanksgiving feast event and hopefully you all get these 4 rewards. So thanks guys, have a good one, enjoy your game.